Welcome back. 1st November is remembered as All Saints' Day across the world by the Catholic Brethren. 2nd November is All Souls' Day or the Day of the Dead, when all the departed are remembered. It is a solemn day to remember the departed. Families and friends visit the faithful departed in cemeteries and have masses offered for those who have died.
Second November is a very special day for the Catholic Church. It has a significance in the sense that we believe in the resurrection of Christ and that we all will share one day in the resurrection when our bodies, which have been laid down here in the cemetery, will rise again. That is our faith. That is the meaning of this celebration of 2nd November. We come together not just to place flowers, decorate the graveyards, light the candles, but we come here mainly to pray that God may have compassion and apply the fruits of the passion and the death of Christ on the cross for all these souls, for all those people who have died, so that they may have eternal life.
FC Goa finally got the victory in the Indian Super League in a thrilling match against Delhi Dynamos on Saturday evening. Substitute Tolge Osby scored the winner in the final minute to bring joy to the home team supporters at the Nehru Stadium. The 2-1 victory was FC Goa's first and comes in their 5th match of the ISL. Earlier, Delhi had taken the 7th minute lead through Matt Junker. Juval Raja equalized for the Goans in the 73rd minute.
Swung across by Gregory. And Goa just happy to hold on to the ball. Marianne just overrunning it slightly. And across from the left-hand side to Diswan Sapich. Opportunity for Juncker. And eventually he scores it.
He lost his golden ticket, then found it again, didn't he? Crosses, what a terrible effort.
And around the back, the opportunity got out, and it's just guard. And Benjalon stole it back. Romeo once more. Beautiful ball played in. Amiri cuts it back. Desai. Mandar Desai. Now Goa can get forward once more on that right-hand side. Khan hits it. Park here, Mandar with the cross. It's over-hit, but well met, and Jewel underneath it with the header. It's in! It's Jewel Raja who scored! Gregory's off the bench with his knee injury, hopping all over the place, and Goa have equalised. He's taking his time over this one, Van Hout. He needs to be careful. Not sure how long the referee's patience will last. Miranda heads on. Slapich scribe at the top.
Now he's in.
With pace round the goalkeeper. Finishes with style. It's Osby, the Australian. He's played in.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.